Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'll be taking you through how I make that video you just watched, how I color grade it on VN Editor. So just stay tuned and watch in details. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment on the next video you want me to create for you. So once I select all the clips I wanted to color grade, so once you click on the color grade, so you click on the filter. So I just look through all the clips, so I click on the filter to adjust my clips and give it a nice feel. So I click on the adjust. So instead of me using the default color grading setup, so I'll just click on adjust to adjust it myself. So I give it exposure, increase the contrast a bit and play a bit with the saturation, and I want the temperature to be a bit not too tungsten like this, so I want to reduce the temperature a bit. So after that I go to HSL to give it some feel. So I adjust the color in which I wanted to have more priority on, either on the lightening or the saturation or the hue. So I just play with that to give it a different look. So just stay back, keep watching and just watch in details. Watch in details so that you'll be able to get how I'm doing the magic on the clips. So I'll be doing a detailed tutorial on this HSL so that you know how it works, the functions of each of those colors and how you can play with it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.